Hi guys, it's Wall here, back on another video, and today we will be unboxing the Groovy Lamp. It's pretty much a, so I think it says 13-inch lava lamp. So, here, just bought this for like, I got this, and I'm gonna make an unboxing video about it. So it comes, this one is in a gray teal, so it's gonna look like this. Gray teal. So let's unbox this thing and let's get it going. So when you open the box, it comes like this. This thing comes with its instructions. So we're just gonna take the things out of here and set them up. This looks like the cord that will be connected to the wall. Okay, wow, so yeah, let me just set this up. Okay, so here's all the stuff unboxed. So I came out of this box, and I have the instructions. I read everything, to make sure you read everything to make sure that you know what you're doing and how to take care of this thing, and what you should not do and how to build it. So here's the stand. The stand here comes with the light bulb, and here is the lamp. One thing it says is that once it heats up, do not shake or move it. So you can damage it when you do that. So always keep it in one spot. Don't move it around a lot, or just don't move it at all. Not at all. So first we need to screw in this light bulb into this thing here. So you screw it in counterclockwise. So let me just do that first. Okay, so I have put the light bulb inside. You spin it in clockwise, and you have to make sure that you put it in to where it's exactly like right in the center. So I moved it a little bit with my hand so I can move in the center. Just do it gently and stuff, and it will move to center. Okay, now it's centered, because that's an important thing. So, yeah. Gently push the socket with your fingers to recenter this. And now I believe it is recentered. So, now that's it. Next up, I have to take this. And now it goes right in there. Okay. This is this thing I told you guys about earlier. Is that once the lamp heats up, do not move or shake it. Remove this sticker for you, so just take that off. There we go. Just gonna put it there for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this cap and put it on top, and that'll be it for it. So yeah. Okay, so now I have put everything together. So now I just have to connect this to the outlet. And then you have to wait for 3 to 5 hours for this thing, the wax in here to melt and start doing the thing where it goes up and down. So you have to wait, and it'll work. So here it's also something that says the lamp will function best if it is operated no longer than 10 hours at a time, and full lamp function will be achieved after the lamp has been used 5 or 6 times. So, yeah. That's it. And also, yeah, and y'all see how this top is not that much full, because here it says the airspace at the top of the vessel has been provided to allow for expansion. So what I'm thinking is going to happen is that it will expand and it will cover up that area too. So, it'll be good. You don't have to complain about that. Like, oh my gosh, we have a space and it doesn't look good. But don't worry about it. So here, this thing, it will, do not leave this on for more than 8 hours at a time. Ensure proper function. Always, okay, yeah, light bulb. And use that light bulb that we had in the beginning. If you're going to replace a light bulb, you have to use that exact same light bulb, or it will not work. Because the light bulb heats it up and stuff. So, that's it. So I'll be back with you guys in like 3 to 5 hours and see this thing working. Okay guys, I have actually waited hours, and now this is what my lava lamp will looks like after I've done it. So yeah, this is it. It looks pretty cool. Very nice lava lamp. If this video helped you,